wish you all a pleasant morning. Today, the students of Grade II Jade are here to proceed with the hymns of the assembly. Like eagle, they will run and not get weary. They will walk and not grow weak. Amen.
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as
Today's thought is every child that you encounter is a divine appointment. I repeat the thought. Every child you encounter is a divine appointment. Thank you. வணக்கம் இந்தே திருக்குறள் பயனில பல முன் சொல்லல் நயனில நட்டார்த்தம் செய்தலின் தீது பொருள் விளக்கம் பலர் பயனில்லாத சொல்லை சொல்லுதல் நண்பரிடத்தில் அவர் விரும்பாத செயலை விட தீமையுடையது. By bus, students are not permitted to eat or drink in the school bus. The students must enter and leave the bus in a single line by hour of exercise. Reduce body fat, increases lifespan, improves memory, strengthens bone, strengthens heart. So, if you don't make time for exercise, you will probably have to make time for illness. Thank you. Have a healthy day. Hey, I can't do my project properly. It's not working. Oh, it's not a problem. Because the examination date is on 5th December. So, go back to the drawing board. Pardon? What do you mean by go back to the drawing board? It's an idiom which means to start all over again. Thank you, dear, for information and for support. Bye. Good morning, everyone. As we all know that today is Children's Day and we have gathered here to celebrate it. Before we move on the celebration, I would like to present a small speech on Children's Day just to set up the mood. Children's Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of first Prime Minister of India and the great freedom fighter. I would like to call upon our Nehru on the stage.
A very good morning to all. I am Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister of India. I am a freedom fighter. I love children very much.
Children are the reasons we see a brighter tomorrow, filled with hope and happiness. So let's celebrate the wonder of childhood and promise of a great future.
Happy Children's Day.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं कल खुले कहीं